There is another world worthy of being heard, not a planet, but a satellite. Saturn's moon Titan is the sole satellite known to possess a real atmosphere, even thicker than Earth's. However, the extreme cold results in liquid methane rain. In 2005, the Huygens probe captured an audio recording while descending through Titan's upper atmosphere. Now, you can listen to the astounding sound of wind on a satellite over 1 billion kilometers away. Standing on its surface, you would hear painfully familiar gurgling sounds. However, it flows with liquid methane, forming rivers and waterfalls made of methane.